everyone. My name is Brian Enuma. Our company is Strategic Systems Group. We are a Los Angeles-based IT consulting firm and experts in enterprise resource planning. With me, I have Greg Horn, who will take us through an overview of Dynamics 365 Business Central.
Hello again, this is Greg Horn, and I am back with part 2 of our demonstration tour of Dynamics 365 Business Central. This demonstration will cover the reporting capabilities of Business Central. There are many different ways to get access to the data you want to review in the system. One of the other very powerful tools that we have in Business Central is the export to Excel capability, or edit in Excel. So in addition to the querying and standard and financial reports, we can take any view like we started off with and export that data to Excel. So we're going to go back to that customer example and click on the edit in Excel. What this is going to do is this is going to generate an Excel spreadsheet. And I'm going to go ahead and click on that Excel spreadsheet and enable editing. And this is populating the data in a presentation format with the data from our customer records that we have in the system. So we can use the flexibility of Excel to get the data in the format that we need. But the real power of this Excel add-in is the section over here on the right-hand side of the screen. This is not just a data dump from Business Central. What this is an active link that uses your Business Central security authentication to create a two-way connection from Business Central to Excel. So what I want to show here is an example of what we can do in the system outside Excel, utilizing the power that Excel has. So I want to be able to take my customers and do a mass update of their credit limit. So I move over to the credit limit field, and I can change the credit limit for the customer, and I can copy and paste that down, something you can't do with inside the system. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually publish, because this is a two-way link, I'm going to publish this data back to Business Central. So if I go ahead and click on publish, if you watch, it just processed 5 changes. So there were 5 customer records here. So I'm going to now go back into Business Central. And I'm going to refresh the page. Sometimes it takes a minute or two to get the data to refresh. And we're going to open up one of those customer records. Yep, and it's making me a liar. It hasn't updated yet. So let's go ahead and give it another second here. So let's go back into that customer. And as you see, it's made a change. And it's even highlighted that change in red because we have some workflow behind the scenes that flags when changes are made to certain fields in the system. So some very powerful tools to be able to get the data you want out of the system.
Thank you for joining us today, and congratulations for investing time in your education. We'd like to offer a way to continue our conversation. If any of what we presented resonates with you, please register for a 30-day trial of Dynamics 365 Business Central. The trial will provide you with an opportunity to evaluate the application using the provided sample data or your own data. To sign up, would you please click on the link below. Again, our thanks, and make it a great day.